To set up Wi-Fi Direct on your Xerox Workcentre 6027 printer using the Xerox Print Service app, you can follow these steps. On the printer control panel, select the printer status button. Go to the Tools tab. Select Admin Settings. Choose Network. Select Wi-Fi Direct. Choose Enable and then OK. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the Xerox Print Service plugin, example, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. On your mobile phone or iPhone, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Wait for your phone to detect available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name starting with DirectX XHP. XX represents a unique combination of numbers and letters. Tap on the network name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password displayed on the printers. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process.